So babe, a lot of people were asking me, did you celebrate Christmas when you were in Jamaica?
I'm out there bursting clappers, and soon as the police van it break on the lane, I ran and
Where I take him, they're like, oh, can I keep him? Can I keep him? He's so cute.
You think you're the star of the show, Raj? You think you're the star of the show?
Yeah.
I'm in luck. I want some oxtail. You got goat meat?
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Canada. Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, United States. Good morning, whoever's watching. Good morning. It's raining outside, but it's sunshine in here. Say good morning, Rogero. Rogero, say hello, family.
Turn left, then take the first
Oh.
left onto Nicola Road.
We are going somewhere, guys, and we're vlogging as we are going. And as you can see, we're dressed in red for the festive season. We're feeling Christmassy today, so we all dress in red.
Yes, guys, I am here. You know, the first time bringing out my wife since she's got injured. Her friends bring her out, but her friends are pretty unruly. And, you know, I go by rules and laws, so the doctor said allow her to rest, but she still thief away. While I'm at work, I'm gone. So, you know, I'm honored for that. But being that she have around maybe 3 weeks leave for her to start work fully, I approve her going out with me today. So it's a family day, and yeah, come along with us while we rally on our journey.
Yes, it's a rainy day today, as you can see. But this is winter. This is December 2025 in Campbell River. I'm hoping we'll at least get one snowstorm this year, just so Rogero can experience snow for the first time. And I did buy him snow pants and a coat boot, so we're prepared. I'm just hoping we get some. I don't like snow. I can't stand snow, and that's one reason why I love it here in Campbell River. We get very, very little here.
Yeah, this is normal weather in Canada, guys.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No, in Campbell River. It's snowing everywhere else. In Nova Scotia, well, not so much in Nova Scotia, but in New Brunswick there's snow. In Ontario and like all kinds of places in the United States there's snow too. So we're really blessed, but we do get a lot of rain here. But whatever.
Sure. But
Yeah.
rain or shine, we're out.
Yeah.
And we're about to enjoy the day together as a family.
Rogero, can you say hello, family, for me, please? Oh, he's not in the mood.
Shy boy.
Rogero, do you want mommy to buy you a treat? He said cheese. Say hello, family. There you go. He loves the car, guys. He was rushing us out the door. Come on, guys. Come on, Mom. Come on, Dad. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so we'll tune back in shortly. We're just headed on our way somewhere. Gotta have my Timmy's. I'm a Tim Hortons girl. I want a large coffee with 1 milk, double cup, please.
I might need glasses soon. My eyes are paining since yesterday.
Oh, really? Maybe you need to
They don't know.
make an appointment with the eye doctor. We have insurance. It won't cost a thing. So do you want me to make you an appointment for your next day off or something?
I don't think I need glasses yet.
No, but it doesn't hurt to go see an eye doctor, babe, and just get them checked. They'll tell you whether you need glasses or not. They do all the tests, right? And they'll see if you've got glaucoma, if you've got pressure in your eyes, all kinds of things.
Okay.
Yeah. If they're painting, I mean, it's good. Since it's free, you don't have to pay a cent. We have insurance. We have good jobs and we have insurance. We don't have to pay for anything here. And we live in Canada, so might as well take advantage of it. I do, because you never know. If something's wrong, it's good to catch it, before it's...
So, yeah, I think you just want me to join you in the eyeglass for me. Probably want me to join her getting glasses, guys.
No, I just want you to find
I'm
out.
not ready for that yet, I don't think.
No, but it's
But my
good.
eyes are really hurting and I really don't know what's going on with it, so
There's lots of other things that
it's
could...
best we go and check it to see
Yeah.
what's going on.
Yeah. They do they put some drops in, they do a pressure test, they do all kinds of stuff.
I honestly felt as if probably I just need rest, to be honest. But yeah, I sleep over 9 hours last night, so
Yeah, and you got today and tomorrow off?
it's hurting me, so
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so.
You enjoying your donuts? Are they good? Are they gone? You ate them quickly, okay. He loves donuts. Well, just 2 little Timbits, but anyway. We're still on our way. We are going to Comox, Courtney.
Guys, we're going to the butcher shop. You know it's coming on to Christmas and the boy got to have his meat. Because Christmas dinner and Christmas celebration and coming up to Christmas. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can get. I've been craving oxtail, so I'm gonna see if we can get some of that too, and some goat meat, and the rest is history. So we'll bring you guys on the journey. So early on.
Look at the ocean. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see the sun. Hey, you wanna go and take a swim? Yeah.
So babe, a lot of people were asking me, did you celebrate Christmas when you were in Jamaica?
Yeah, Christmas was more outgoing for us in Jamaica. Like, the grand market night and, night before Christmas. The painting of the sidewalk. What else do we do?
Paint the sidewalk? What do
We
you mean?
paint the sidewalk.
What do you mean by that? Paint it white? Paint it
Yeah.
red?
Just like random paints. We paint it. The kids running around, bursting clappers.
Okay.
Yeah, or Christmas was more outgoing. You have a few people who put up their Christmas trees who doesn't decorate their house with pepper lights and stuff like that. So Christmas back home was pretty nice, babe. Honestly, Christmas is enjoyed Christmas. You know what I mean? One Christmas dog, eh? As a kid, I was bursting clappers and stuff. My dad was already gone in, and he was like, "Man, come in." You know what I mean? Because police started patrolling, and guys, I disobeyed him, and he went in, and I'm out there bursting clappers. And soon as the police van it brake on the lane, I ran inside and went under the bed. Things we do as a kid. So the police came and he drove up in my yard way, and yeah, he came right in my house and knocked on the door, and he's like, "The guy that was bursting the clappers, come out now." My mom was sleeping and my dad was there, and never guess what? My dad pushed me out, man. He's like, "I told you to come in, go and answer to the cops." So yeah, that was my childhood growing up. You know what I
Okay,
mean?
what does it mean when bursting clappers? Like, okay, Jamaican people...
Firecrackers.
Oh, because Jamaica people are going to know what that is, and people from Canada and the United States might not know what that
So guys,
means.
I meant firecrackers. We were bursting it, but it's illegal back home because it's illegal in Jamaica. But you always can buy it at some corner shop. These things is always gonna come around Christmas time. So yeah, me and my friend was out there bursting firecrackers, and right as we were bursting it, the cops came around the corner because some of them was so loud, baby. You think it's like a gunshot.
Oh, because I was gonna say I remember my brother doing that, and I was just trying to think, why is that illegal? But the cops, and then my name went in the book, and
you know, who start crying as a kid, and because they're like, oh, we have to take you in and we have to arrest you, and you know, my dad is there begging for me. He's like, oh, officer, and you know, but those were the days. I don't think I ever burst another firecracker since then. You know what I mean? Because you know, back in the days, those big books that the cops have, that they travel with, that's what my name went in, and they're like, if we have to talk to you again after my dad begging for me and stuff, they're like, if we have to come back and talk to you again, you know it's gonna go. And so, you know, who catch their coward, and I never burst another firecrackers anymore.
I guess so. You learned your lesson, eh? So another question, did you guys buy presents for each other, or like how does the gifting and Santa Claus? So do you guys have Santa Claus, like that kind of stuff?
Santa Claus is back home too. Yeah, it's back home. But the gifts, I mean, the more fortunate one would have gifts and so forth. Like mom, you know, mom would buy my little sister like her dolly.
Okay.
I would get like maybe a one truck or something. But it wasn't as much like now, guys. The amount of gifts is under the tree, and I'm like, man, it's different here. You know what I mean?
So what about Christmas trees?
Yeah, but my mom never go the extra mile to get Christmas trees. But as I said before earlier, you have houses that put up their Christmas tree. I remember my godmother before she passed. Every year she have her Christmas tree. You know what I mean? My house is more like, you know, Christmas light. You know what I mean? Like the lights that we put up in the house, but we put it up outside. You know, like Christmas back home is hot. So, you know, you can put up your lighting outside and make your house pretty and so forth. So, Christmas back home was really fun. You know what I mean? As a kid though, but as you get older, you get more responsible. It's not as much fun anymore. It's more like you going hard for your kids now, and you know what I mean, let them experience but like food wise, you know, I don't know if you ever heard about sorrel. You know what I mean? We have sorrel, we have Christmas cake, lots of food. So as I said before, we're going to butcher now, so because that's a tradition that we always have, you know, Christmas being like, we'll have family reunion. Yeah, that's the right word for it. So in those times our family come over, whichever brother or whichever house it's keeping, you know, all the family come to that one house, and we drink liquor, we smoke, who do this, do that, but you know what I mean, it's always a vibe. My brother always come from in the States, and we keep it, and if it's keeping at my mom's house, we're all there, and we just enjoy as a family, man. You know what I mean?
I didn't bring the selfie stick, and my arm is killing me. So one more question. I'll put it over here like that. What about stockings? Did you guys hang stockings? Like, you know how I'm asking you everything because I don't like. Why not? It's a conversation, right? Did you guys have stockings and put? Because when I was a little girl,
I didn't know about the stocking until I met you. To be honest,
okay.
You know, I know, but guys, I never know. When she's talking about stocking, I think it was in 2023. I'm like, what's stocking? You know what I mean? I never know nothing about really stocking.
He's like, why is she buying me all these little things? Like, and I'm like, well, that's what we do in Canada. Like, my mom used to put. I'm not going to do this for Babe, but my mom used to put an orange and an apple and a bag of chips and a pop, because we didn't eat all that stuff during, like, on a normal. So for Christmas, she would do it, like, as a treat, right? And we always had grapes on the table. That wasn't something we had all the time. We always had apples, but we didn't always have oranges. We didn't always have grapes. So Christmas time, that was a treat. We always had syrup. I'm from Newfoundland, so I'm a small little island on the east coast of Canada. And we had syrup, so a really sweet syrup, and you mix it with water. You could get green or cherry, and we had that during Christmas. And in our stocking, we would have maybe like a coloring book and crayons or something like that. You know, just something small. So for when I first met Babe, you know, I got him some underarm deodorant, some chocolates, maybe some razors, and he's like, why are you buying me all this little stuff for Christmas? I'm like, well, that's what we do here. And it's stuff you can use, so why not? I'm helping you out.
So Guys, I never know nothing about that, but you know what? Like, it's just a thing with me where if you get me all these stuff, it's just a no-brainer. I gotta get you back some stuff. So
Oh.
immediately
No,
when
you
I see
don't.
all those stuff, I went online. I know she like makeup, so I went on Amazon. I ordered some makeups. I don't even remember. I think I
Underwear.
ordered some underwear too, and she's like, "Oh, babe, these are so nice, but I can't wear these specific one." I mean, because she
I
said
only wear
something like
cotton.
or-
Yeah, I
so-
only wear cotton.
yeah, like, but for us back home, guys, it wasn't so violent like now in Jamaica per se. So, like, we could have roamed the street and it was just so nice, you know what I mean? But for my kid, I'm so happy I get him out of that situation, because I think now in Jamaica it's not like back then when we were growing up, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I prefer this life for him every day more than the street life back home, where he's enjoying Christmas there rather than here, you know what I mean? So he's gonna get the Canadian way of Christmas, and I mean he's enjoying it already. I mean 3/4 of the gifts under the trees
For him.
it's for him, so you know what I mean? Like, this guy, they said he's an eye candy, so
Oh, he's so gorgeous. Everywhere I take him, they're like, oh, can I keep him? Can I keep him? He's so cute. Are you so cute? Richero, why are you so cute? He's totally ignoring me. He's not like his mom and dad, loving the camera. Not yet anyway, I don't know. So guys, I got my brace on today because I went to church yesterday and I didn't wear my brace. One of the guys, he was trying to fix the chair for me to put my leg up, and he bent it to the side, and I'm like, oh, I guess I should be wearing my brace because it has to not be twisted one way or the other. So I'm being a good girl today. And
guys, please tell her to slow down.
yeah.
Doesn't need to. The moment you feel as if she's getting back there, she's moving fast.
No, I'm not.
Remind her to slow down, guys, please.
I'm gonna slow down, and I find that I'm overcompensating on my other knee, which is normal when you have a good knee and a bad knee, right? So I got to be careful because I don't want to wreck my good knee, which is not really even that good, but it's good right now. This one hopefully will be the good one eventually, and that one will probably be the bad one. But anyway, yeah, I gotta just be careful I don't hurt this one, because so I'm gonna take it easy. No, I learned my lesson, just like you learned your lesson with the firecrackers. I
That
learned.
was when I was a kid, though.
Well, okay, I know, but I'm an adult, and I just learned my lesson with my knees. I gotta take it easy, or I'm gonna be. I've been doing this since February. Like, I had enough. Like, I do not want to go through this again. Like, seriously. So I have to slow down. I know. Nothing's really that important. Unless there's a fire and I gotta get the heck out of the house or something like that, I'm gonna move slow. Yeah, unless something's an emergency, then if not, I'm gonna move like normal pace or slow. But anyways, well, yeah, so yeah, a lot of people were asking me, so do they celebrate Christmas in Jamaica? And I'm like, I know I asked
Your
Babe
friends
that,
are
but
pretty curious.
Yeah.
You know, they're Canadians, so they're
Yeah.
curious. But,
yeah.
you know, just like we doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving back home. You know what I mean? So they're like, and I was saying that to them, so they were like, so you guys celebrate Christmas? And yeah, well, we do. We celebrate Christmas. You guys doesn't have Easter here, right?
Yes, we do.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, of
Yes.
course, absolutely.
Or
I
the
mean-
celebration of eating bun and cheese and stuff.
Yeah,
So.
like when I was younger, Easter was so important. I find, you know, as I'm getting older and like people are just not, I mean, we were really Christian, Catholic and Christian, people growing up. So Easter was a big thing. I mean, like it was when Jesus died and rose again. Like it was so important. So of course, you know, but then also we had the Easter bunny, and you know, our mother bought us chocolate and our grandmother bought us chocolate, and we hid the eggs, and I did that with my daughter as well. So
I said Easter bunny, I remember. Yeah, but
Yeah.
It doesn't do the bun and cheese eating and you know
Not
what I
here,
mean?
no,
Like,
no.
yeah, but they
We do
still go to
Christmas cake
church
here.
and stuff.
We
Huh?
do Christmas cake here. We do like a rum cake or a fruit cake.
We have a traditional like dark black tea, right, with rum and stuff in it.
We do
Yeah.
Christmas time, yeah. Yeah, dark cake with rum, and then we put like nuts and like little green and red candy or dried fruit or something in it. I don't know. We call it a Christmas fruit cake. But for Easter, we don't have the bun and cheese like you guys. No. Nope. But anyway. All right, so that's the answer to that question. Yeah, and I'm from Newfoundland, and pretty much the same thing as everywhere else. You know, we had Christmas trees, lights, stockings, you know, gifts, Santa Claus, the whole shebang, dinner, all that. So Christmas Eve service at church, and you know, stuff for Christmas Day, all of that. And we had, where I come from, everyone plays guitar and sings, so we always get together with family and playing guitar and singing and having hors d'oeuvres. In Newfoundland, our hors d'oeuvres were like Ritz cracker, Vienna sausage, a pickle, and a piece of hard cheese with a toothpick in the middle. That was our hors d'oeuvres. Yeah, so anyways, excited to have Christmas with our little guy this year, but they've got to work, so we're probably going to do it at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon when he gets home, because he's got to work.
I'm working on that day.
Yeah, so
As I never work on holidays, I got my day off on a Monday, and most holidays in Canada is on a Monday, so I never have to work them, but yeah, I'm working on them now, so
yeah,
I mean,
yeah, that's good money working on holidays.
yeah, but it's the same. You like here in Canada, you get, if it doesn't work on the holiday, you still get a free.
Yeah, you get your 8 hours.
I'd
Yeah.
rather get the 8 hours free than to work on the holiday and get time and a half. Like,
Yeah. You know what was a really good... Okay, so I hurt my knee on the job. I have 2 jobs. And the second job, my part-time job, I worked my full-time job in the morning, and then I went to my second job in the evening, and it was February 2nd, our first snowstorm last year, when I sprained my MCL and tore my meniscus. So the way workers' comp works, it goes by your past 3 months of income, how they base how much money they're going to pay you. And I mean, it was just a fluke that it was December and January. Like, those are my 2 biggest months, because you work, you know, Christmas Eve, Boxing Day, Christmas or New Year's Eve. So like, I had huge hours, huge checks, and that's what they base my money on. So it was really good time. They're paying me good to be off right now, so yeah, it's good. It worked out really well. So Babe's gonna be working all the holidays, and yeah, get some good paychecks. I love Christmas time working, I really do. But I'll be home this year, relaxing with my babies. Yeah, but I'm sure next Christmas. My baby. My baby. My man. You my man. Babe, you didn't think that was funny?
Yeah, with them focusing on growth.
You don't pay mind to my foolishness much anymore. He just tunes me out. All the farmland. No, not turning the window down today, Papa. It's too cold and windy and rainy. What'd you say, Papa? I don't see no animals. I think they're all in the barn today or something. I don't know. I don't know where they are. I don't see them, Papa. You want to see Red?
You think you're the star of the show, Raj? You think you're the star of the show?
Yeah.
Okay. You said my son. To the highway.
Lots of farmland out this way.
Mommy, look at that fall up there.
Okay, here we are. Gunter Brothers Meat Company. It's too much work for me because look, it's no. I'm just gonna stay in the car, you guys. Babe's gonna bring you in with him.
Guys, we finally arrived. Let's see if they have what we want. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. I'm from the Caribbean. Do we have oxtail?
I have some.
Oh, wow! Yes, I'm in luck, guys. Yeah, I'm in luck. I want some oxtail. You got goat meat? Goat meat, yeah. No goat meat. Okay, let's see. These are the monster oxtail they got. We're gonna get to work, you know. And I get some eggs. Unfortunately, I probably gotta get the goat meat at the store, but
Okay, no worries.
I'm happy to get these.
Contact in there anyways. But
Yeah. Thank you so much for your assistance today.
no worries.
Yeah. Have a great day.
I sent Babe back in for chicken wings. Whoa.
stay.
What?
Like $60 for this.
That's good. Nice. That's a lot.
Three,
How many in a pack did she
3.
say?
3, and 3.
Did she say?
Huh?
Did she say how many was in a pack?
Let's see what's in this. This is 10 pound, baby.
Oh, okay. Nice. Why are you so cute?
Right there.
Finally back home, safe. So glory to God. And yeah, we're just here handing out the vlog. So I just want to say, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And what, babe?
Turn your notification bells on to get all new uploads. I
Peace
should
out,
have that
guys.
memorized by now. God bless. Thanks
Raj
for
Raj.
watching.
Ireland boss, I may represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I may send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?